All right.
The beard. Ooh, Justin. Hard on this razor. Okay, I'm going to try it with the other one. Let's try it with this. Just leave it. You got half of it. Ooh, that's good. No, that's easier. Look at that. Look at that. The bird's nest. Here's your beard, or your mustache. Half a beard. What do you
Half.
think, Jeff? Ooh. I should have left him a goatee. Look.
Like good.
Let's see. A long one. Oh, I wish I would have left it. Man, you got a lot of whiskers, Just.
I know.
You got one. Let me see.
Cut it.
You think?
Yeah. Ah.
I'm done. I get him a
That
little.
would hurt.
Does it hurt?
No.
Oh, we got more down here. My goodness. It's everywhere.
I have mustache either. Yes.
I think that ought to go too.
Have to go out. Yeah.
Okay, here goes the mustache. Mm.
Oh, it's very close to nose.
Get your nose hairs. Wow. You go ahead. Hair lip. Got one up here. I can't get it. Yeah.
This is new look.
Yes, very new. Okay, let's get him with the real razor now. I don't really like it. Wow.
Oh,
Is it still long?
no.